how to replace the wiper blades in your 2013 to 2020 Ford Fusion. I am Stephen Wimberley and this is Working with Wimberley. I'm going to be replacing the blade on this Ford Fusion. I have two of the factory blades right here. They're both 26 inches. And there's some instructions here because these blades come with 4 different attachments. It's 3 of them here and one that's already on the blade. One with the letter B, C, E, and then the one that's on here is actually letter D. Now we need to remove the letter D because the one we need is letter B. It's really easy to remove these. So here's the new blade with the D attachment already on it. You're just going to want to push down on this button and slide it back, and the attachment comes right out. So now I have the proper B attachment and it just sits in place, and then you slide it forward until it snaps in. Just like that. And this blade is ready to go on the car. So here's how the blade sits on the windshield. As you pull it up, you'll see 2 little tabs at the bottom. There's one right here on this side, and on the opposite side you can see the tab right here, right where my thumb is, and we're just going to want to push that in, and then it'll release the blade from the arm. So again, I just pressed in on these tabs and tilted it out. I found it easier to slide it in from the bottom and then pull it forward and snap it in on the front. We're going to repeat the process on the passenger side. So again, I'm actually going to hook it in at the bottom and then just push it and snap it shut on the top. Just like that. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.